that, you guys. I almost started laying freaking sound deadener over this. That is some original headboard right there. And it literally is just dissolving, like disintegrating, as I touch it. That's how old it is. Oh my. Oh my goodness gracious. This is the best part. What's up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. Oh, it's nighttime and everybody's sleeping, but I have a problem to where I don't sleep at night. I'm sure tons of you guys can relate. I'm totally a night owl. I've worked like night shift for like over a decade now, and I pretty much do mom during the day. But I also get this huge burst of energy when I get home and everybody's sleeping or going to sleep, and I'm just like, ugh. There's no kids running around, and there's a little bit of time for me to do me. This is my 74 Nova. I've been doing all the work myself on it, and I'm super proud of myself, and don't judge me. Also, I've noticed since I put the hatch back on, God, I can't open this one. I just dropped a box of screws. Okay. Open sesame. Okay. It is pretty dark in there. You need more light in here. Need more light, you know? Hear me out. How cool do I look? Like, look at this. Like, this is awesome. What the heck? This has been the solution. Like, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. All right, so this is called an LED headlamp by Delphi, and there are multiple settings. All right, so check this out. Right, that was my side lamp. See it? Boom. Whole flippin' LED strip. Can you believe that? Like, this is so cool. Hands-free. Wait, we're gonna check this out. I think this might be the solution to my not being able to see properly. Oh, Delphi. Strip Lamp Pro. LED headlamp. This is awesome. Let's check it out. Alright. Wow, these feel heavy duty. Wow. Look at that. Adjustable strap. Yes. Alright. Look at that. Holy Toledo! Now that is cool. And then, if you cycle through, there is the nifty little side headlamp. We're gonna do something on this Nova, and we're gonna test this bad boy out. Really test it out. Digging it. What do you guys think? Like, I'm thinking I'm gonna scrape the rest of like this headliner glue off the top of the ceiling in the Nova. Good plan. So, I say, we dive in with both hands. Get something done. There's 2 different brightness levels on that bar. That's cool. I like that. Now, is there 2 levels on this? There is! Oh my goodness, it is dark and it is freaky. Wow, that one is just... Dang. Dang. Like, this is legit. Oof. That is cool. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, man, we can do it. Dude, this is like the ultimate finger puppet. Oh my gosh. Okay, here. Alright, you guys, so I have some plastic that I am going to lay down on the floor panels down here before I start scraping off this headliner glue up there. Just so that I don't like have a bunch of stuff like down here, you know, and I can just like pick up the plastic and like pull out all the crap like in one, you know, and I don't have to like trudge around it in my jammies out here, you know, because I'm in my jammies. So I'm gonna lay down some plastic. Maybe it's just a mom thing. Maybe I just like laying plastic. Maybe I just like laying plastic. That kind of sounded dextery. I'm gonna go for it. I am talking to myself out here at midnight. It is so quiet and creepy. Okay. Okay. So. Oh my gosh, you don't even have to touch it. Just blown away. I just need a moment right now. Like, strobe it. Strobe it. So, that was a lot. There's a lot of stuff. Didn't really look like a lot, but it was a lot. I need to get the wire wheels out tomorrow and just hit this. It's a little too late to hit it right now. Like crazy bright. Ooh, look at the sunflowers. Spotlight mode. Still totally think that this is the best light that I've ever used. Oh my goodness. I am so freaking grateful to have this right now. It's gonna change my life. You guys don't even know. When I'm having to hold light, I really can't do much else. So this is like having a third hand almost. Like, so great. And I think that you guys might want one too. So if you do, go ahead and use my discount code right here. Use that Kirsty Beans. Huh? Get 10% off. 10% off your order if you want one too. I'm back out here. It's early in the morning and it is Friday. So thank goodness it's Friday. Let's just be real here. I need to go find my mask. Oh my god. Real life stuff right here. Alright, I did what I could and it looks pretty good, so I'm gonna move on. Yeah, you know, it's a pretty messy job. Definitely. What can we do besides keep going? This stuff comes in 2 different sizes. There's a 50 mil, which is the one that I ordered, and then there's an 80 mil. I mean, if you just want like Rolls Royce type of quiet in there, you know, but for me, this 50 mil should do just fine. Pretty much the concept is there's an adhesive backing on this. So you put it in place, you peel it back, you press it down, and then you take this roller and you pretty much roll out all the bubbles because you don't want to see any more bubbles afterwards. That tells you that you pretty much got it stuck onto place. All right, Maya, what do you think?
I like it.
I keep turning it off because I'm so close to you.
Hey! No, stay away!
I think we might do it like that. I mean, I don't think there's really a rhyme or reason to how you're supposed to lay this stuff, but I think you're just supposed to make it like most efficient to where you're not wasting as much material, right? I mean, it sounds right. Oh yeah, there's still stuff in there. Oh, that's bad. No, I can't take that. I gotta fix that. Mother trucker. that, you guys. I almost started laying freaking sound deadener over this. That is some original headboard right there. And it literally is just dissolving, like disintegrating, as I touch it. That's how old it is. Oh my. Get that out of here. We don't need that. Whew. She's rocking the Adelphi headlamp to give us some extra light. It is super convenient and heck yeah. Let's lay a couple pieces, why not? I have never done anything that I've done on this car, so everything that I learn is, or everything that I do is something that I'm learning. You know what I mean? So it's pretty much just like practice, and I get the knowledge that I'm needing by actually doing hands-on type of activities. So this is my learning project. I am just so grateful for it because not only am I learning,
But I'm also learning.
but she's learning as well. So, heck yeah. Let's lay these pieces and see how good we can do this. And it's like this sticky black, super sticky,
Oh, can I touch it?
no.
My hand's gonna get stuck to it.
So we're gonna lay it in where we think we should go here.
I'm gonna need some light.
Thank you for my light.
Roller.
Now, where's the roller?
I don't know.
All right, now you just want to like roll all these little bubbles out.
That's pretty good.
It does. Okay, I'm just gonna say, for my first time ever doing Kilmat, I pretty much crushed this. I think. Only used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only used 8 pieces. You got the back half done. Woohoo! Now we just need to do the front half. Whoop, 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 whoop. Alright, so we'll have to do that, and then we'll use our little strip that we cut, and we'll make it all work. I am proud of myself. Like, this looks great. I ain't even gonna lie. Okay, so the ceiling is done. We even got up under here. Next time we get in this car, we'll be tackling the sound deadener on the doors. So I'll take that back off. We'll hit in here, and then we'll hit up here. I removed all the original off the tunnel, transmission tunnel and stuff. So I'm gonna relay up on the toe area of the floor pans and relay on the trans tunnel. Just kind of where they factory stock put the stuff, because I know that will definitely help with noise. And I can also go and jump into these little holes everywhere and fill the outside panels. Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. This is the best part. After getting all dirty and dusty and grimy. That is so weird. Like, it just sounds so doorish. Dang. Dang. What a difference. Okay, would it have been easier to paint this before doing the Kilmat. Yes, obviously it would have, but that's not what this channel's about. I should have finished it when I started it, obviously. I got in here and started it. I just didn't finish it. But now that I see it, I gotta do it. So, let's get painting. There. Much better, right? Indeed. Okay, this is scary. Just lost my freaking sunflower. Holy cow, did I get that? I hope so.